How to measure and install an 11mm diamond grille screen to an old G. James OX sliding window. Measure the channel profile widths where the screen is going to be installed. The channels are 12mm, meaning an 11mm window screen frame is the preferred choice. Also check the color, style and location of the window to add this information in the ordering portal. Measure the width from the window jamb to the mullion. This measurement is 871mm. Deduct 1mm for clearance so you can install the screen. In the ordering portal, enter the manufactured size of 870mm. The maximum drop measurement is found by measuring inside the top channel to the top lip of the bottom channel. The maximum drop is 455mm. The minimum drop is measured by measuring from inside the bottom channel to the top channel lip. The measurement is 447mm. The minimum-maximum difference is only 8mm. We want a minimum of 5mm of overlap, resulting in a tight fit. These older windows' lower channels are often bowed upwards. For the drop manufacturing size, we resort to taking between 1 and 2mm from the smallest maximum size, rather than adding 5mm to the minimum size as we would normally do. The fact this older model of sliding window bows like this often makes them an even tighter fit across the drop and often difficult to get the 5mm overlap we normally seek. Install the window. Insert the top of the grille into the top channel. Swing it across and drop it into the bottom channel. Mark your fixing points, 100mm in from the corners and evenly spaced by about 300mm. Fix off with 9.5mm self-tapping screws at the top and bottom of the screen. On the side of the diamond grille window, use 14.5mm security screws to prevent the screws clashing with the glass sliding window panel. To finish, pre-drill and fix off with these security screws. Always make sure the area is clean when you finish. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.